How to create avatar in Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open the Instagram application, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your profile section, simply tap on edit profile right over here. Just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on this avatar icon right over here and then tap on create avatar. You'll then be able to find two options, either create from selfie or create manually. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and simply tap on create manually. Go ahead and simply choose your skin tone, then tap on next. Just like so, choose your hairstyle that you prefer, then tap on next again. And now you want to go ahead and simply choose your face shape. After you're done, tap on next again, and just like so, you want to go ahead and choose your body type. And once it is done, tap on continue. Just like so, you want to go ahead and go through all of this to change the style, hair, makeup, body and face. And once you're done, simply tap on done right over here, then tap on save. And just like that, you have successfully created your avatar in Instagram. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.